Welcome to our channel, where we help you manifest your desires, including love and beautiful relationship. Are you ready to attract the love of your life or create the relationship you've always desired? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss the most effective method to manifest love and create beautiful relationships. So, stay tuned till the end of this video because we have some amazing insights to share with you. Hello, my fellow manifestors. How are you today? I hope you're feeling empowered and ready to unlock the secrets of manifesting love. But before we dive into today's topic, I want to take a moment to express our gratitude. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to bring you valuable content like this. So if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue helping you manifest your dream. Now, let's get started with today's topic. Manifesting love and creating beautiful relationships may seem complicated, but it's actually quite simple. It all begins with becoming the version of yourself that is already experiencing the love you desire. Yes, you have the power within you to attract and manifest the love of your life. Picture this: you walking hand in hand with your loved one, sharing tender moments and feeling the deep connection between you. It's a beautiful vision, isn't it? Well, that vision can become your reality. The key to manifesting love is to understand that we are all interconnected in consciousness. We are all part of something greater than ourselves. Whether you call it God, the universe, or I am, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you realize that you are a powerful creator and that you have the ability to shape your reality. When you manifest love, you create a positive and uplifting energy in your surroundings and within yourself, attracting more positivity and love to your life. Now, let's talk about the practical steps you can take to manifest love and create beautiful relationships. The first step is to change your attitude towards your current reality. If you're in no contact with the person you're manifesting, don't worry. You're not really in no contact because we are all connected in consciousness. Start by making a decision to be your new self, the version of yourself that is in a loving, fulfilling, and committed relationship. Affirmations, visualization, and scripting can help you embody this new version of yourself. Close your eyes and imagine yourself holding the hand of your loved one, embracing them, and feeling the love between you. Hold on to that image and let it become your reality. It's not enough to just affirm or visualize once and expect miracles. To manifest love and sustain it, you need to practice repetition. Continuously remind yourself of who you are and the relationship you desire. Tell yourself daily, I am the version of myself in a loving, fulfilling, and committed relationship. Now, I want to address a common concern. Many people worry that their manifestations are not coming true or that their desired partner is not fully aligned with their desires. Remember, your 3D reality is a reflection of your inner world. If you find yourself falling back into old limited beliefs or doubts, stop and ask yourself, what if I can really do this? What if I am truly powerful? Manifestation is cut and dry. Focus your awareness on being the version of yourself who is fulfilled in every area of life, including love. Release the old stories and beliefs that no longer serve you. This is an act of self-love, loving yourself enough to change your focus and claim what you truly desire. Remember, our internal dialogue matters. Be mindful of how you talk to yourself. If you catch yourself doubting, or bringing yourself down, redirect those thoughts. You are in control of your mind, and your mind is a powerful tool for manifestation. Whenever you find yourself getting sucked back into the 3D reality, pause and remind yourself of your power. Embrace the idea that you can change your reality by shifting your mindset and focusing on what you desire. I want to emphasize that manifestation is not just wishful thinking. It requires a deep understanding of who you truly are in consciousness. It's about stepping into the version of yourself that aligns with the love and relationships you want to experience. Now I want to address something very important. If you're experiencing thoughts of self-harm or suicidal ideation, I urge you to seek help immediately. Your well-being and mental health should always be a priority. Here are some practical steps you can take to make positive changes and seek support. Reach out to a mental health professional. Schedule an appointment with a licensed therapist, counselor, or psychologist. They can help you explore the root causes of your distress, provide coping strategies, and develop a personalized treatment plan. Build a support network. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or mentor about what you're going through. Sharing your struggles can help relieve some of the burden and provide emotional support. Consider joining support groups or online communities where you can connect with others who have had similar experiences. Stay connected. Isolation can worsen feelings of despair. Make an effort to maintain social connections by scheduling regular catch-ups, participating in activities you enjoy, or joining clubs or groups with shared interests. Engaging in positive social interactions can help improve your overall well-being. Focus on self-care. Prioritize self-care activities that promote overall well-being. Get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of your physical health can positively impact your mental health as well. Avoid drugs and alcohol. Substance abuse can exacerbate mental health issues. It's important to minimize or avoid alcohol and drugs, as they can worsen depression and increase the risk of impulsive actions. Remember, these suggestions are not intended as a substitute for professional help. If you're in immediate danger or need urgent support, please contact a helpline or emergency services right away in your country. You are capable of creating the love and beautiful relationships you desire. Embrace your power to manifest and change your reality. Step into the new version of yourself who is already experiencing the love of your life. Trust the process, have faith, and continue to affirm your love manifestation. Thank you for joining us today and taking the time to learn about manifesting love and creating beautiful relationships. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're here to support you on your manifestation journey. We love hearing from you, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Let us know how your manifestation journey is going, or if you have any questions. We're here to help you every step of the way. Before we end this video, remember to bless yourself with divine love and know that your desires are on their way to you. Keep manifesting and embracing the version of yourself that is already living the love-filled life you deserve. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and creating the beautiful relationships you desire. Thank you, and may all your manifestations come true.